क्या है? अरे क्या तकलीफ हो रही है तुम्हें? सभापति जी, बहुत ही भ्रामक जवाब विदेश मंत्री जी ने दिया है। और मैंने जो प्रश्न किया था उसमें जो जानकारी हासिल की थी उसके जवाब में विदेश मंत्री जी ने बताया कि 2009 से लेकर के अब तक 18,832 जो भारतीय लोग गलत तरीके से रह रहे थे, अवैध तरीके से अमेरिका में रह रहे थे, उनको निर्वासित किया गया है। विदेश मंत्री जी का यह भी कहना है सभापति जी कि 5 फरवरी 2025 के बाद एक भी घटना ऐसी नहीं है जहां यह प्रकाश में आया हो कि बेड़ियां लगा करके, हथकड़ियां लगा करके किसी भारतीय को अमेरिका ने भेजा हो। सभापति महोदय, ये जानकारी असत्य है, मिथ्या है। मेरे पास तो निश्चित जानकारी है सभापति महोदय। 25 सितंबर को ये तो कह रहे हैं कि 5 फरवरी के बाद कोई ऐसा केस हुआ ही नहीं है, लेकिन 25 फरवरी को हरजीत कौर नाम की 73 वर्ष की एक महिला जो 33 साल से अमेरिका में रह रही थी, सभापति महोदय, उनको बेड़ियां लगा करके अमानवीय तरीके से अमेरिका से बाहर किया गया है। सभापति महोदय, लगता यह है कि अमेरिका इनकी किसी भी बात का नोटिस लेने को तैयार नहीं है और संभावना यह लगती है कि हमने अपनी प्रतिष्ठा गरिमा को अमेरिका के हाथों बेच दिया है। क्या है? अरे क्या तकलीफ हो रही है तुम्हें? क्या है? सभापति जी, आप मुझे संरक्षण दीजिए। सब
मेंबर, Honorable member, I request you not to give a lecture. You please be specific to your question.
सभापति जी, मैं बहुत विनम्रता से आपके मार्फत कहना चाहूंगा कि ये सरकार सदन को गुमराह कर रही है।
No. You have to raise only your question.
25 सितंबर को एक 73 वर्षीय महिला को
Nothing will go on record except the question. Nothing will go on record except the question. This is not the.
सभापति,
It is not.
सभापति जी,
Yes.
सर,
नहीं मेरे आप दीजिए। अरे मुझे सवाल मुझे सवाल तक दे दीजिए ना।
Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down.
सवाल तो सुन,
नहीं
तो सुन लीजिए।
आप प्लीज बैठिए।
अरे हमारा सवाल तो सुन लीजिए सभापति।
Honorable member has referred to a case pertaining to Srimati Harjeet Kaur, who was deported from the United States. Now, in her case, sir, her own lawyer has stated on record, I quote, "Thankfully, they did not cuff her. One officer was going to do it, but there was another officer who said, don't do it because of her age." I also would like to inform the member through you, sir, that whenever any flight with deportees come, whether it is a chartered flight or whether it is a commercial flight, the deportees are invariably interviewed by officials of the Government of India. In this particular case, our immigration officials confirmed that in this case she was not cuffed. So we have seen the reports pertaining to this, but I would also like, sir, to inform the member of something else. While Srimati Harjeet Kaur was not handcuffed, she was maltreated. She was maltreated in detention before she was put on the flight. So on the 26th of September, we have officially, through a note verbal, taken up her treatment, her maltreatment, with the American Embassy. We have made clear our very strong concern about the manner of her treatment and asked the Embassy and the American authorities to look into this matter. So again, I would like to say, sir, my answer is absolutely accurate. I know perhaps the honourable member, out of concern, having read press reports, is raising a matter. We have gone into that matter. We have clarified the matter. We have launched our concern. We have indicated our concern to the American Embassy. So I hope he will rest assured with that.
Second supplementary, Sri Ramji Lal Suman.
सभापति जी, मैं जानना ये चाहता हूँ,
Be specific about your supplementary.
सभापति जी, आपका सदस्य हर वक्त आप सरकार को बचाते रहते, हमारी बात भी सुन लिया करिए। सभा
No, I am requesting you to be specific to your question, nothing else.
सभापति जी, मैं सरकार से ये जानना चाहता हूं कि गैर कानूनी तरीके से हमारे देश से जो लोग अमेरिका जाते हैं या भेजे जाते हैं, कौन सी ऐसी संस्था या एजेंसी हैं, इसके बारे में सरकार को निश्चित जानकारी है और कैसी उन संस्थाओं को चिन्हित करके अब तक सरकार ने उनके खिलाफ क्या प्रभावी कार्रवाई की है?
Honorable Minister.
Sir, again, I appreciate the member's concern on this matter. I would like to inform him that the NIA has registered and investigated 27 human trafficking cases, resulting in 169 arrests and charge sheet against 132 individuals. This is what has been done by the NIA, which has, sir, established some years ago an anti-human trafficking division. It has today a mandate to cover human trafficking. Apart from that, various state governments have also launched investigations, sir. In case of NIA, I also want to say, particularly NIA arrested 2 important traffickers in Haryana and Punjab on the 7th of August, and then in Himachal Pradesh, 2 more people on the 2nd of October. Where state governments are concerned, sir, the maximum number of trafficking is from the state of Punjab. The Punjab government has constituted a SIT and a fact-finding committee. As per information given by them to us, 25 FIRs have been registered against 58 illegal travel agents. 16 accused have been arrested. Where the state of Haryana is concerned, 2,325 cases have been registered, 44 FIRs have been registered, 27 people have been arrested. Also, one very significant trafficker has been arrested by the state government of Gujarat.
Third supplementary, Sri Harish Biran.
Thank you. Thank you, Chairman, sir. To the Honourable Minister, through you, sir, we face 2 problems as far as the citizens from India who go to the US. One is who goes through the legal way, the other is who goes through illegal ways. Now, as far as those who go through the legal way, sir, there are some 6,000 visas, F1 visas, which have been revoked by the US. Mostly the student visas. Now, student visas have been revoked on certain postings on the social media by the students, particularly Solidarity for Gaza, etc., etc. Now, whether the government has intervened for these students whose visa has been cancelled, or does the government accept the US position that political dissent by our students is a terrorist activity that deserves deportation? That is as far as the legal process is concerned. Now, as far as the illegal recruitments are concerned, the Honourable Minister, Kerala police have forwarded 531 complaints against illegal recruitment agencies to the ministry. The ministry has to give sanction, but only 17 has been given sanction. That is only 3%. Now, that low sanction rate also is giving a lot of problems. So, whether the ministry is considering giving some sort of amendment to the Immigration Act so that the states itself, without the sanction of the ministry, can take action against the illegal recruitment agencies.
Honourable Minister.
So, where the cancellation or revocation of student visas were done, the problem began in April of 2025, where there was a new policy which was announced by the Secretary of State, and as a result of that, even for relatively minor offences, we saw the cancellation of visas of students, and in many cases also there was pressure on them to self-deport. So this is something which had happened. So I would like to, sir, inform the honourable member through you that yes, in each of these cases, this matter, wherever it came to our attention, and many students directly contacted consulates and embassies. The consulates and embassy intervened where possible, and we have tried to get the American system to understand that minor offences should not be a reason for such action. However, I also want to say, sir, that the issuance of visa is a sovereign right of a government. Now, in the case of the United States, the U.S. government has taken a view. In fact, the latest announcement was yesterday. They have taken a view that every visa adjudication is a national security decision. So they reserve the right to take a decision on a visa which is based on their assessment of the national security implication of a particular individual's position. Furthermore, they have also very publicly said that where student visas are concerned, they would ask all applicants to adjust their social media settings from privacy settings to public settings so that they do scrutinize the social media postings of people who have visas potentially or actually in the United States. That is a position that they have publicly taken. With regard to the sanction from Kerala state government, sir, I don't have the exact figures. What I do know is that where we have requests from state governments for sanctioning prosecution, we obviously take a very sort of proactive and strong view on this. I will look at the particular details which the honourable member has flagged, sir, and I will inform him of what we intend to do.
Thank you. Srimati Rajati.
Honorable Chairman, sir, வணக்கம். வெளிநாடுகளிலிருந்து இங்கே அனுப்பப்படக்கூடிய நம்முடைய குடிமக்கள் மிக மோசமாக கை விலங்குகளோடு அனுப்பப்படுவதை நாம் தொடர்ந்து பார்த்து கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். வெளிநாடுகளிலிருந்து நாடு கடத்தப்படுகிற இந்திய குடிமக்கள் பாதுகாப்பாக கண்ணியத்துடனும் தமிழ்நாட்டிற்கு திரும்புவதை உறுதி செய்கிறதற்காக குறிப்பாக பெண்கள், மூத்த குடிமக்கள் மற்றும் குழந்தைகள் போன்ற பாதிப்புக்குள்ளான பிரிவுகளுக்காக இந்திய அரசு ஏதேனும் முன்முயற்சிகளை மேற்கொண்டுள்ளதா அல்லது அந்த அரசுகளுக்கு கடுமையாக எதிர்வினையாற்றி இருக்கிறதா என்று அறிய விரும்புகிறேன். நன்றி.